Howdy do! Hi everybody! My name is Jara B and I want to welcome you to my channel if this is your first time here. If you are a returning viewer, what's up y'all? What's up? Thank you for clicking on this video and spending some of your precious time with me. This video is going to be about what's in my bag on this Juicy Couture Speedy style bag in the color raspberry. So this is what she looks like, and you can see here I decorated the front of her with a big black pom-pom and a matte black chain that I decided to drape across the front of her. And then she came with this tag here that it was attached here up front, but I put her over here on the side like so. So that's that side. Here's the back, the bottom. So I went with the theme of black and the raspberry fuchsia color. I am so enjoying how everyone is deciding to decorate and carry this beauty here. Here's what the top of her looks like. The zipper pull is so cute. It has a little heart cut out here. Now there is a couple of cons to this bag for me. The first con and the biggest con for me is it doesn't open up wide enough. And the second con is this zipper pull gets kind of stuck sometimes. I think maybe this hole or something is not large enough. So, but yeah, you know, she's still pretty, okay? So those are my, really my only two cons about this bag. So let's open her up. Give you an overview of what the inside of it looks like. Now the opening is just not wide enough. My hand is really larger than the opening of this bag, and my hands, I have knobby knuckles, you guys. And my hands are a little, they're kind of like medium to large size hands. I don't have small delicate hands. I wish I did, but I don't. I have kind of medium to large chunky hands. So that is why I don't prefer to have bags with narrow openings like this. So let's get right inside. The first thing I'm going to pull out is, let me see, try to get up in here, see what I'm saying? All right, is my wallet. I just went with this Anne Klein wallet because I could not find any, really, I don't have any accessories really with this same fabric or material and color. So I did the best I can do. So here's this black wallet here. My keys, I went with the Victoria's Secret keychain here, along with my pepper spray. And then I'm gonna pull out my pouch here, my zebra pouch, and inside of here I have some masks. Here's another pouch I decided to put inside of this beauty, and this is my little candy pouch. Then I have, let's see, an eyeglass case. I have my AirPods in this Kate Spade cover here. I think it's so cute. See that? And then I have this Juicy Couture pouch. And there is something in here I want to show you guys real quick. I have some eye drops, dental floss, eyeglass wipes, stuff like that. But the thing I wanted to show you guys, which is new to me and I'm so happy to get, I saw these peel containers here on other people's channel, and I finally got my hands on one. The only thing about it for me is that it doesn't hold enough medicine for me. So that is what the inside of it looks like. And then I have my phone, my knife, my coin pouch, and then I have another pouch, the zebra pouch, and inside of here I just have my wet ones and my Cottonelle bathroom wipes. Then there's an inside pocket here that zips, and inside of there I have my perfume I'm trying to get through, this rollerball Tory Burch, my lighter, not lighter, this is not a lighter, you guys. This is a flashlight. Okay, and then I have on the front side there's some slip pockets. There's one slip pocket, and I have some tissue, lotion, my MAC lip gloss, and my lip balm inside of this panda bear, and it opens like that, and then here's your product. I think it's just cute. And then at the bottom I was able to put in a purse strap that I bought to go along with this. This is more to my liking than this. Okay, you guys, so I went on ahead and attached this strap that I purchased off of Amazon. I wanted to show you guys what the strap looks like on her. And then what I did on the strap is, this is a Coach hair tie, and I just kind of tied this around the purse strap, because sometimes these thick guitar straps, they do this gaping thing right here. You see, they do this, and that bothers me sometimes. Sometimes my hand can get entangled in here when I'm like handling my handbag. So I put a hair tie on here to try to keep it together. If anyone knows of a hack to help like keep this together other than gluing the strap closed, let me know, okay? I would love to know how I can remedy this issue here. Okay, you guys, so here is an overview of everything that I have inside of this Juicy Couture Speedy satchel in the color fuchsia. Alright, what do you guys think? She's so cute, isn't she? So I will say again that the opening is a bit too small for me, so I'm not going to stay in this bag long, but every now and again I'll bring her out, have fun with her. You know, I love having her sitting around, like, you know, at work sometimes I'll bring it out on and just kind of like look at it and stuff, you know, and yeah, admire her because I think it's so pretty. What do you guys think of the strap? I think it's cute. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, everybody, stay safe out there. Bye.